Okay, these are challenge weighted pants and my new favorite pants, like super cool. Basically, they're very high quality. They feel really good on. They're tight, but not so tight that it's like crazy or weird or hard to get on. They're high waisted, so they come up, give you a little bit of a tummy tuck up here. The main feature though is you got to check this out on the side here. You've got these pockets that go all the way down the side. See this pocket here? Pocket here. There's even a pocket here. I'm a shorty, so pocket here. So you can fit your cell phone in here, or you could put these weights in there. That's right, it comes with weights. So these little guys slip in. Let me just show you again real quick. So you're just gonna take this and slip it in. So I'd like to thank Challenge Weighted Pants for sending these to me to review. I really appreciate it. I'm super excited about these. These honestly are my new favorite pants. I had no idea that something like this existed, but how cool. I can literally add 3 pounds up each side and I can take a walk. I've got a little bit extra and it doesn't feel like it doesn't like feel crazy like I'm using any crazy weights or anything. I do recommend that if you're, whatever you're gonna use, that you do them even on each side. I don't know, it just feels like the weighted balance of having them even is better. But man, I love these. This is great. I can dance in them, and now I'm getting a little bit of extra. Woo! It's fun. I love them. I just love them, and they're cute and totally user friendly. Really cool.